Conversation 1. You can count on us. Jason, can you drive Jenny and me to the doctor on Monday?
Well, I think so.
We need a ride very badly. Are you sure you will be able to help out?
Sure. I'll mark it on my calendar so that I don't forget.
Thanks, you are a good friend.
You can always count on me when you need help.
Explanation. If you count on someone or count upon them, you rely on them to support you or help you. Example. I can always count on you to cheer me up. Conversation 2. Out of the question.
I'm going to look at new cars tomorrow.
I wish I could have one.
Why don't you come along?
I'd love to. But I don't want to be tempted.
I'm sure you could get a good deal.
No. Buying a new car is out of the question for me right now.
Explanation. If you say that something is out of the question, you are emphasizing that it's completely impossible or unacceptable. Example. For the homeless, private medical care is simply out of the question. Conversation 3. It's up to you.
Would you like to go out to dinner or to a movie?
Either one. It's up to you.
What would you prefer?
I really don't care. I just want to get out of this house.
Well, then how about dinner and a movie?
Sounds good. That's a great idea. Explanation. If you say that it's up to someone to do something, you mean that it's their responsibility to do it. Example. The choice was up to Jason. Conversation 4. It's beyond me.
How long have you been in this country?
I've been living here for 2 years.
Is it hard for you to study at an American college?
Yes, I find it very difficult, especially when you can't follow the professor's lecture.
That's because you just arrived. Do you like biology?
No. It's beyond me. Explanation. If you say that something is beyond someone, you mean that they cannot deal with it. Example, although he could give her sympathy, any practical help would almost certainly be beyond him. Conversation 5. Chatting up after exam.
Hey Jenny. How did your history exam go?
Not bad. Thanks, I'm just glad it's over. How about you? How'd your presentation go?
Oh. It went really well. Thanks for helping me with it.
No problem. So, do you feel like studying tomorrow for our math exam?
Yeah, sure. Come over around at 10 o'clock after breakfast.
All right. I'll bring my notes. Explanation. Hey. Is friendly expression meaning, hello. How did your history exam go? Is a way of saying, how was your history exam? How about you? Notice the intonation falls here because the speaker is going to follow it up with a detailed question. Conversation 6. Don't get me wrong.
Cora is going to sing tonight.
Oh, no.
Don't you like her singing?
It's not like that, don't get me wrong.
Then what's the problem?
She knows only one song. Explanation. If you say, don't get me wrong, when you want to make sure that someone doesn't misunderstand what you are doing or saying, or why you are doing or saying it. Example. Don't get me wrong, it's an interesting work. Conversation 7. Giving advice.
Thanks for meeting with me during your lunch hour. I appreciate it.
No problem. We are happy to help you. What's going on?
Oh. You know the usual, should I take this job? Or do I stick with my current one?
Well, I think it's time for a change, don't you? They pay you late and you are unhappy.
Do you really think so?
Yes, we know so. And I've been listening to your complaint for over a year now, trust us. Take the job. What do you have to lose? Explanation. Listen for the emphasis on I know so, and trust me. These common phrases can be used to convey both positive and negative emotions. I know so conveys a deep belief or certainty. To know shows more certainty than to think. Conversation 8. I'm starving.
I think we should get something to eat.
Are you hungry?
Hungry? I'm starving.
Didn't you come from home today after breakfast?
I had my breakfast, but I don't know I got hungry early today.
Okay. There is a Chinese restaurant near our office. Shall we go there?
Is the food very hot?
It's kind of hot. But it's very tasty.
Let's go then.
Explanation. If you say that you are starving, you mean that you are very hungry. For example, apart from anything else, I was starving. Conversation 9. What time is it?
What time is it, Sarah? We're going to be late.
It's 8:15. We're on time. Don't panic.
But I thought we had to be at Brenda's birthday party by 8:30.
We'll never make it there with all this evening traffic.
Sure, well, rush hour is almost over. Anyway, the party will start at 9 o'clock. But I do need help with directions. Can you call Brenda and ask her where we park our car?
Explanation. It's 8:15. This phrase is one of the most common ways of starting this time. It means it's 15 minutes past 8 o'clock. In these dialogues, few friends are going to a birthday party. When someone is stressed for time, you can use expressions like, don't worry, don't stress, we're fine, we'll be on time. Conversation 10. Brush up on.
Do you have a driving license?
No. I'm going to take the test in a couple of weeks.
Oh. Didn't you drive in your country?
Yes. But I have to brush up on my driving.
And you have to study the traffic rules too.
Yes. There are a lot of new things I must learn.
Explanation. If you brush up something or brush up on it, you practice it or improve your knowledge of it. Example. Jenny spent much of her summer vacation brushing up on her driving. Conversation 11. Buying grocery items.
Excuse me. Do you have sugar-free biscuits?
Of course. I have really good sugar-free biscuits. How many packets do you need?
Give me 2 packet, please.
Sure. Do you need anything else?
Yes, please give me 1 kilogram rice and 1 coffee powder.
Here you go.
How much are they?
That will be $5.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Explanation. If you buy anything or ask for something from anyone, always be polite before talking or ask. Conversation 12. On telephone. Hello, this is Jenny.
Hi Jenny, I'm Sarah. I would like to talk Justin, please.
Hi Sarah. I'm sorry. Justin isn't at home right now. He went to his friend's birthday party. Is there any message for him?
Yes, please ask him to text me when he arrives at home.
Don't worry, I'll give the message to him.
Thank you so much, Jenny.
Don't mention it. Goodbye.
Bye. Have good night.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.